Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me. But I'm not going down with you. So you may rise, but you'll never make me wanna stick around you.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night from wherever you're watching from. If you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Miss Tuana, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So it's in the morning, it's 7:30 in the morning. I am going to do grocery shopping. I'm going for grocery shopping. I do not have anything in the house to eat. The fridge is empty, all the storage jars are empty. I literally have nothing totally. I couldn't even make myself breakfast today. So you must be wondering, saying, oh, how often do you do grocery shopping? I only do it once a month, and when I do that, I don't buy anything till the month ends. So it's past a month since I last did. I think it's like 1 month and 2 weeks, so you can imagine. Let's go together. Today is a Sunday and it's the perfect day for that. I've not gone to church, so that is what I have decided to do. The reason why I go early is because I want to get fresh things and get that done already, because if I don't do it in the morning, I won't do it. So let's go to the market. I don't think I will carry my phone with me because this is a local market I'm going to first. My phone might get snatched, so yeah, I'll see you either at the supermarket or yeah, let's go. Hi guys, I am done doing my market shopping, so now I'm at Carrefour going to buy my supermarket things, and I'm really glad today I kept time. It's 9 and I was in the market at 8, so I used 1 hour. But I'm just here. I've parked just opposite Chinatown, and my inner child tells me to go and check out what they have, but I am broke. Why are things expensive, by the way? Things are really expensive. I don't know where this country will be in the next 5 years because things are so expensive. This is the right time to lose weight. Yeah, because some of us cannot afford to have 3 meals a day.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up, I don't wanna fit. Right around the world. You
Chinatown is just next to Carrefour. I went to Chinatown to specifically look for a gift bag, but I ended up, they've restocked, and I bought something. I can't really wait to reach home and show you, okay? Don't go anywhere.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. All that's on my mind, yeah. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when never know when you might walk by.
I got some meats today, some mushrooms, some gizzards, some fish, and some minced meat. I found a very good deal at Carrefour of 2 kilograms of chicken at 36,000. And I got some soda, Sprite, and Coca-Cola. I love my beer with Sprite. For the first time, I'm going to be trying Affair. I've been buying pick and peel. I bought this in different fruits, mango, orange, and red berries, and the other one. So I'm going to be trying that for the first time. I just hope it tastes nice. I got Honor as always. You guys, I don't know if you've tried this drink, but this is the real deal. Honor can never miss in my fridge. Every time I just want to have that apple taste in my mouth, I just have a sip of Honor. I feel like Honor real gives that apple tastes. Yeah, I don't know what you think. If you've tried Honor before, kindly comment down below. I got myself some yogurt. I am trying to work on my diet. So yeah, and meanwhile, all these things that you see will last me for a month. I'm not buying anything. These drinks bring back my childhood memories. Tell me why I was busy in the supermarket. Like, I wanted to go by the list, and I saw this. And a few months back, my friend from Lira, Sharita, sent me these, and I didn't know we had them in Kampala. So I found them at Carrefour, and they were really cheap. These, I don't know if they're drinks or whatever they are, they give cool bar vibes.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah.
These were discounted to 2,000 Ugandan shillings per pack, and I got myself 2 packs. I'm telling you guys, Carrefour has very good deals going on. You should endeavor to pass there weekly and check out what's on discount. I don't know what's wrong with me. Every time I find things on discount, the first thing I do is to call my friends and tell them. These things make me excited, guys. They make me excited. You don't need to break a bank just to have a very good meal with your loved ones.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. All that's on my mind, yeah. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook. notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself.
Allow me reintroduce to you these laundry scent beads. These have really changed my life. If you have a machine or if you do laundry manually, you need these. You don't need, these are scented and they come in different sweet scents. You don't need a perfume whatsoever. Guys, try them. They are really, really nice. They make your clothes smell really nice.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why.
A few months back, I did fumigation, the whole house, but I think just because sometimes I open my windows just to allow in fresh air to come in the house, I end up letting mosquitoes come inside the house, and I do hate mosquito repellents, so I bought this heat insecticide which is scented. I love it because it's scented. I hate the smell of these other insecticides.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me out the dick. Don't wanna fit. Right around the world, right around the talking.
Baskets were really cute. I had to video call my friend Sharita, who stays out of town, to show her what I had found at Chinatown. So I have bought for her one, and guys, look at what I found. I have been looking for this deep pan for the longest time, and guess what? I just found when they had just restocked all the sizes. That's not all. I found a perfect cover for it, guys. This pan doesn't come with a cover, but I went to the section that had covers and got myself a perfect one.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my mind. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email?
So these are the things I got from the local market. You can see everything is fresh and very affordable. If you want to change your life, stop buying onions, tomatoes, Irish, and the other fruits from the supermarket, because guys, those things stay there for long, and by the time you're purchasing them, they're not fresh. So I got all these from the supermarket, and you must be wondering how I was able to buy all these things, bring them home. Let me now give you a plug that is going to change your entire life and going to save you time. There's this guy called Roman that works at Nakasero Market. All you do is send him a WhatsApp, send him your shopping list, and he does the shopping for you. Okay, he delivers everything at your doorstep, and you only pay him and the money for shopping when he delivers. All you have to do is just make sure you send the right shopping list and communicate to him, give him directions, and yeah, you're good to go. He makes life easy.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, when you're nervous when you call. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always hey, sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey, baby. I know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy. When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, when you're nervous when you call. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring.
This is how empty my fridge is, guys. Everything was finished. Look at the soda, Coca-Cola, nothing. But I managed to make some juice last night. Anyway, like I said, I always do my shopping once a month. And before the month ends, I cannot buy anything. I was overdue for shopping. And yeah, I needed it. I badly needed to do it today.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me out the dick. Don't wanna fit. Right around the world, let me right around talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. That you do know, but never fall out of love with you. You. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me out the dick. Don't wanna fit. Right around the world, let me right around talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. That you do know, but never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else made smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, the dick. I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, let me right around talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I got you to know, but never fall out of love with you. You, you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad.
That has been it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching from the start to the end. I really appreciate the love and the support you show me, guys. I do not take all this for granted. This keeps me moving, guys. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and turn on your notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on my next one. Bye.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.